Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 92.1 FM Radio Pesona, your best information station. Hello, good afternoon, Science Kira. How are you today? Yes, this is Monday, right? So it's a special time for us to meet again to practicing our English speaking skill. Where Pesona Inspira asking Valia why I only what is it like there is no Iqbal to accompany me. Tenang aja karena walaupun Valia sendirian, Valia juga punya dua orang tamu yang akan menemani Pesona Inspira juga untuk ngobrol-ngobrol dalam bahasa Inggris dan berlatih speaking English. Jadi untuk Pesona Inspira yang mau bergabung silahkan bisa bergabung nanti di 0823 23839996. Yes, benar banget kalau program ini adalah program kolaborasi between Radio Pesona and FBS Unsik. But today we have a two special guest star who the one of is what is it like the graduation student from Unsik, but literally no, she is not an Unsik student again. Maybe you can introduce yourself first.
Good afternoon, my fellow Pesona FM listeners. My name is Zulfa, and it's been actually multiple times I've been here as a
Yes.
guest announcer.
Yes.
And I did some, comeback, if we can say that, because it's been a while I do not announce here in the I Can Speak program. And I'm so happy to greet you today. And we're going to talk about a very, fascinating topic with our another guest announcer. And so I'm looking forward to it.
Zulfa, how can I tell about your story or about your background? You are the graduation student, or what is it? What is your job today, or what is your activity today?
Okay, so I graduated from FBS Unsik in 2023. August, but actually I have finished my study in 2022. Just attended the ceremonial graduation the next year after that. And I'm actually now officially alumni, if you would like to call it.
Okay,
alumni of Unsik University.
Okay, the alumni of Unsik. And today is the couple time you coming here, right?
Yes, I would say it's going to be the 7th or the 8th time I'm here, but I'm not really sure because I don't officially count it. But yeah, it's been quite.
How do you feel to become a guest announcer, because you are already multiple times to coming here?
I feel it's great though. When the first time I came here, it was so nervous. Like I had so much butterflies in my stomach. Like couldn't know exactly what to say because I didn't know exactly how you work as an announcer, as a guest announcer. What do you do there? What you have to say and everything. But then over time, as the time goes by, as I keep coming here and practicing being a guest announcer, I started to feel like, oh, it's comfortable.
Yeah, and I see you really enjoy to be announcing, and maybe someday you wanna be a English announcer, right?
Well, I'll consider that. Yes.
Okay, Pesona Inspira. Besides Zulfa, we have one another guest star who coming from Best Caller. In I Can Speak program, we have a listener time, and we already choose one caller to be best participant. And today there is one caller that already coming here. Maybe you can introduce yourself, ma'am or Mrs.
All right. Hello there. Good afternoon, everyone. Especially for the personal radio listener, I hope all of you are well and wishing you all the best.
Amin.
Yes, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ambari. I live somewhere in Wonosobo. And I originally from Semarang because my mom is from Semarang and my dad from Yogyakarta.
Okay. So how can you live in Wonosobo?
Yes, because I do live in Wonosobo. The Wonosobo is green and get some fresh air.
Yes.
And clean, and the people are friendly,
Okay.
And and some price are very cheaper. Down here.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes.
Yeah. And how about your activity in Wonosobo? What did you do here?
I'm doing, just planting, the cassava,
Okay.
chili or something like that.
So you have your own field?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
May I know where is your field in the Dieng or maybe
No,
in
no,
the
somewhere in
middle of?
Wonosobo here nearby, in Kiai Haji Muntang, something like that.
Ah, okay.
All right. And I do like sport,
Mhm.
especially swimming, volleyball, and
Oh.
yes, and jogging, take a walk
Yeah.
also. But I don't like cooking at all.
Mm.
It's terrible for me, It's very, very make me busy. So that's why. And I like my food is, pancake, serabi.
Serabi.
And for fruits, I do like durian
Oh, okay.
and mango, pineapples.
Mm.
And for the vegetables, I do like the sweet potatoes leaves, lengguk.
Yes. Lengguk.
Do
Okay.
you know lengguk?
Yeah, I know lengguk.
Yeah, it's just very nice, to be eaten because with a plate of rice with a little bit chili sauce or peanut sauce, bumbu pecel, something like that, and a piece of salted fish like ikan asin.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it is very yummy, isn't it? Yeah. I do like it, but I don't know. Maybe anybody else maybe doesn't want it, so
Okay.
it's okay for me. I do like this.
Yeah, I thought this is the first time for a guest star to introduce their self in a complete way.
Of course.
And you have already said that you love so much traditional food, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, I
and
do.
What about the traditional food of Wonosobo? Do you have one your favorite food? Maybe like a mie ongklok or tempe kemul?
Oh yeah, tempe kemal, I do like it very much.
Okay.
I can't. Every single day, I always have it.
Okay.
For breakfast or lunch or dinner maybe something.
Ya, emang tempe kemul itu yummy banget ya, jadi
Yes,
penyedap
yummy.
rasa untuk
Yes.
makan gitu. Untuk pesona Inspira yang mungkin bertanya-tanya gimana sih caranya Mbak Ambar selaku penelpon itu bisa kepilih. Jadi buat pesona Inspira yang pengen siaran juga nih ya barengan sama Valia atau Iqbal di I Can Speak. Jadi setiap kali lagi program I Can Speak wajib dengerin sampai selesai karena kita ada segmen listener time. Dari segmen tersebut kita akan memilih satu orang untuk jadi best caller atau best partisipan yang akan diundang untuk bersiaran langsung. Dan Mbak Ambar ini sudah ikut menelpon sekitar 3 minggu yang lalu ya Mbak Ambar
Yes.
ya. Hanya saja pada saat itu memang tidak bisa langsung bersiaran di minggu berikutnya karena kegiatan gitu
Yes,
Nge.
yes.
And before we airing this program, Miss Ambar, I can call you Miss or Ma'am.
Yes, all right.
Okay.
No, just call me Ambar. That's it.
Okay.
There's
Just
nothing
call you
here.
Ambar. Okay. Before we airing this program, Ambar said that she has a great background. I talk because he have ever working in the Jakarta,
Yes.
in the Jakarta,
Yes,
and
it
the ambassador of Arabic
Yeah.
Arabia.
Ambassador. Yes. A Saudi Arabian.
Saudi Arabian
Yes,
ambassador.
embassy.
Embassy.
Yes.
I'm sorry, embassy.
Yes.
So that's the reason why you can speak English well, or do you have another experience that
Yeah,
can
because-
make you speaking English?
Yes, the problem is sometimes, I do like to associate with the people who can speak English very well. And, I always keep listening radio in English, keep watching TV in English as well. And I keep reading the magazine, newspaper, what else. So, yes.
I think you are diligent person, right, Zulfa?
Yeah.
Because not all people can really, push himself to studying English, especially for speaking, right?
Yes, it's a very great. We need to give a great appreciation for those who wanted
Yeah.
to keep constantly practicing English.
Yes, of
Yeah,
course.
you
Yeah.
can be our good example
Yeah.
for all Pesona Inspira.
Yeah.
And Pesona Inspira for today we want to talking about the creating personal time, self-care strategy for busy lives. Jadi buat Pesona Inspira yang mungkin punya pengalaman tersendiri tentang bagaimana caranya memanfaatkan personal time atau yang mungkin bisa juga kita sering sebutnya kalau anak zaman sekarang adalah me time. Pesona Inspira bisa bergabung ya di line WhatsApp di 082323839996 atau bisa bergabung juga nanti di line telepon, bisa langsung menelpon saja di nomor yang sama. Untuk pertama kali ini Valia akan putarkan dulu satu lagu dari Niki dengan Too Much of a Good Thing sebagai lagu pembuka hari ini. Yes, coming back with I Can Speak program, which is its collaboration program between Radio Pesona and Unsik. And of course today we have two guest stars Zulfa who already talking about the topic today, and the topic today is about creating personal time, self-care strategy for a busy life. In a simple way, we will talking about me time, right, Zulfa?
Yep.
Okay, maybe you can what is it like a define self-care in your opinion?
Okay, so everyone has their own definition for self-care, and what it means for each person differ from one another. But for my self-care, my own version, I would say that self-care is a way on how you treat yourself, understand your value, and then understand what you've been through, like physically, emotionally, and mentally. And it is a way for you to treat yourself in a way that you can spend time for yourself, like doing the activities that you like away from the stress.
Or maybe like a save our soul.
Yeah.
So we have to recognize what thing that we have already did before, and then what thing that we really need today and the next in the future, right?
Yes. For example, like we are students. From my own perspective as a student and also a part-time worker, I have my own schedule divided by two different stuffs, like so work and also study. And those two things, when combined together, they have their own characteristics to make us feel pressured in certain way. For example, you have facing your final examinations, and then you got to work on this essay, that essay, this mini research and that research, and it's really burdening your mental health, right? Because not only it takes your time, but it also takes your effort to work on it, and just to think about it. Even just when you have your meal, you keep thinking about it, what to do next with my work, what I haven't done, something like that. And so to get away from those stress, we need to take time to take a break, and for example, like listening to some music or watching some Korean dramas, whatever you like.
Okay, so I think personal time and self-care is not only about how we spend our time to personal time, but also how far we know about ourselves, right?
Yes, indeed. If we know ourselves, we know exactly what to do, like how to deal with our stress and everything.
Okay, because when we talking about me time, maybe the focus is only about the spending time, how we spend our time to relaxing our body and soul only. But in a personal time, we also thinking about ourself, our a personal life.
Yes.
Yeah.
You could say that.
Yeah.
And also our physical and mental being.
Yeah.
Yeah, well-being.
Okay. How do you think, Amber, when we talking about personal time and self-care, maybe do you have any opinion about it?
No, I don't have any opinion actually. Just for me, I just want to suggest the listener, please do make a call and join us.
Okay, yeah, you are right.
Yes, and to have a talk, we can change our experience each other, and we can learn more English, right?
Yeah, maybe with a join and I Can Speak, it can be a personal time self-care too.
Yep.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Don't worry, please. If anyone who make a mistake or make a blunder, we try to help and to amend their mistake.
Yeah.
So because there is a will, there is a way. Actually, everything is from our willingly, kemauan. There is will, there is way. Di mana ada kemauan, di situ ada jalan.
Yes, there is a will, there is a way. There is a will, there is a way, right?
Yes.
Amber? So maybe it can be connected or related with our topic, Zulfa, because when we recognize what have we done and what will we need in the next time, maybe we can get an affirmation about there is a will and there is a way, right?
Yes. That's right, So, like the people said, study hard till you are old is better than gold. Gold and silver may decay, but for the general knowledge will never fade away.
Yeah.
In Indonesia, we can say, bagaimanapun kita belajar sampai tua, tidak akan punah. Dibandingkan kita punya harta tapi bisa punah kan, tapi kalau untuk ilmu pengetahuan tidak akan luntur selamanya.
Wow, that's
so
really...
Please, don't be hesitate or afraid or even shy, to call us, please. Yeah. Right now.
Okay, maybe Valia will remind Pesona Inspira wants to calling us. You can call in 082323839996, and we have what is it like a special segment for listener to calling us in listener time. You can sharing us in all of vocabulary, not vocabulation.
Yeah, that's a
vocabulary.
made up word, right?
Yeah.
You just made it up.
Yeah, and you can asking us too about the vocabulary that you didn't never know before. Yeah. Okay, we back to the topic about personal time and self-care. Zulfa, do you have any strategy, or maybe do you ever did some activity to what is it like feel your personal time and self-care?
Self-care, me time, personal time, they're exactly the same thing.
Yeah.
Basically,
Yeah.
just different terms that people use, But for the Gen Z and Gen Alpha, maybe they prefer to use me time.
Me time, yeah.
As it is swirling around the internet quite a lot. And my strategy, usually I would love to listen to some musics, but it doesn't have to be like an hour or, that kind of long time to listen to it. Just some short period of time. For example, like this morning, before I got here, when I get ready, I listen to some musics, but mostly like some instrumental musics to keep you motivated and to keep you going and, like fulfilling your daily routine.
Yeah, maybe for Persona Inspira who wants to increase their adrenaline, maybe we can hear the upbeat music, right?
Upbeat music would definitely do.
Iya, so kita bisa nambah semangat lagi kan. Tapi gimana kalau misalkan ya Persona Inspira itu mendengarkan musiknya itu dengan musik-musik yang ya udahlah sesuka aku, terus akhirnya jadi lupa waktu. Itu termasuk personal time dan life self care atau enggak tuh kalau menurut Zulfa?
In a bad way. Okay. Is it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
In a bad way.
In a bad way because it doesn't, you don't make the best use out of your free time to do something productive to calm yourself, but instead you kind of larut dalam situasi ya.
Yeah. Okay.
You forgot the true intention of making the best use out of your free time. So if you listen to music, then just listen to music, but do not listen to music that can impact your emotions to become gloomy or moody or less motivated to do your daily routine.
Okay. So for Persona Inspira who spend your time with one activity, but you terlarut dalam kegiatan itu without thinking another activity, it can belongs to creating personal time, self-care, but in the bad way.
In the bad way.
Okay, so when making appointment in the salon, it's a bad way too.
Appointment in the salon, like to take care of your hair, your face, or something? No, of course not. That's a whole different thing. I mean, that's how you treat yourself. That's how you appreciate and respect yourself. Taking care of our skin or face is also one way to value our worth as a woman, especially. So that wouldn't be a problem. But if you take it too often, like for example, like going to the salon every day, or let's say 3 times in a day, that would timely and costly consuming.
So Persona Inspira don't making a reason personal time as your reason to be a lazy person.
Indeed, exactly.
Because laziness is a bad habit.
Yeah,
Yes.
bad habit, because personal time and self care itu kayak punya purpose sendiri ya. They have a purpose to find out what we really need and what we really tujuan hidup gitu ya. Apa sih
Life
tujuan
purpose?
Life purpose.
Yeah.
Jadinya kalau personal time and self care itu kita benar-benar ada tujuan, walaupun di saat itu kita melakukan hal yang relaksasi gitu ya. Tapi kalau artinya kalau me time aja itu hanya benar-benar menghabiskan waktu gitu, atau masih punya kesinambungan arti atau hubungan gitu.
Yeah, the meaning still associates. As I said before, me time, personal time, and self-care, they are exactly the same thing, but it depends on how you use them for, like what you use them for. For example, if you use it for some excuse to procrastinate, you got like some assignments, you got these these piles of work, but you feel like, oh, I'm too lazy to do this. Maybe later on, and then maybe I need to scroll on TikTok or Instagram, then that would be a bad one, a bad version of me time. But if you you are, in a way that in the middle of the time, in the meantime, you're working on your essays, but you get burned out, you feel like you're starting to feel stressed out, then it's time for you to take a break.
Okay.
So it is the actual meaning and actual purpose of me time, personal time, and self-care.
Okay, so jadi sekali lagi, don't make the personal time as your excuse to be a lazy person. Yeah, you still need to thinking twice about what will you need at the next time and what will you need in the today. Jadi kalau memang butuhnya istirahat, ya istirahat. Bukan berarti saat ini butuh istirahat, terus istirahatnya sampai berbulan-bulan. Nggak gitu juga ya. Tetap harus disesuaikan dengan life destiny-nya. Gitu, Zulfa?
Yes, because self-care is how you balance your life, your personal life, your career life, and your family time.
Okay.
So yeah, it's how you can take a good care and manage your time to spend the time, the moment for you yourself to do the things that you enjoy, to do the things that can improve your mood, and also balancing up your mental and physical well-being.
Okay, and your perspective as a college student, and also you are like a part-time job, right?
You could just say an English tutor.
Okay, English tutor. Yeah, you are English tutor and of course student too. How do you spend your personal time self-care?
Okay, so a day is consist of 24 hours. So I divide my days for at 1 p.m. in the afternoon until before 6 p.m. I use my time to teach. Because I teach students, they have to go home first after school, right? So I couldn't make it before 2 or 1 p.m. And so unless I teach, I would use my time to work on my study, to work on my assignments, or just simply read some books that being given or provided by our lecturers. And other than that, of course, I have much free time in the afternoon or in the evening, I would say, I'm sorry.
Okay.
In the evening, then I would use that for drawing or simply watching some dramas or spend time with my family, discussing things that what have you done today? How was your day? Something like that. As simple as that.
I think I feel hard to to communication with you in the evening, because when I send a chat for you in the evening, you get I get a slow response from you. Do you think evening is your personal time?
Evening, yeah, it is my personal time, and I don't want to be disturbed by anyone. So please call me or contact me tomorrow morning.
Okay, so that's why I can get a fast response in the evening, because you spend your personal time in the evening time. Okay, how about Ambar? Do you have any a strategy or maybe activity to your personal time self-care?
Yes, my activity just watching TV.
Okay.
And I go to the field or to the garden to do something like planting cassava, chili, tomato, something like that. Just for refreshing. That's it. There's nothing to do with that, because it's better than like grumpy or something like that. So it's not good for me. I never do that at all.
So you don't have any activity beside the planting and farming?
Yeah, I told you just now. I just watching TV, and if I have a lot of money or something, I have more money, not a lot. I very itchy in my hand. I have to go to the market or to the mall, to buy something, whatever. Even though I don't need it, but as long as I'm happy, just for refreshing and to make me happy, that's it.
Okay, so I think your personal time is enough to watching a TV,
something like that.
Yeah, cooking and drinking some tea maybe.
Yes, that's right. And with tempeh and geblek.
Okay,
I see.
Do you still have? Ambar, I'm sorry, I want to ask you, do you think do you still have something that you not yet achieve these things?
Oh, not yet achieve?
Yeah.
No, I think I already done it, everything,
Okay.
I already fulfill my wish, just only one. I supposed to be an air hostess actually,
Okay.
but I couldn't because you know I'm very tall. That's why.
Oh, I see. The contrary. Respectfully.
Yeah, but
Okay.
it's all right. Never mind. That's in my destiny. You know.
Yeah.
Everything is from God.
Yeah.
I already keep struggling, you know, but I couldn't. I'm sorry. So
Okay. How about with your son or your daughter? Do you have any like what is it like a dream job for your daughter or your son, and you think that I have to do something to making my daughter or my son to be a success person, or maybe yeah, something like that.
no, I didn't. I didn't have any.
You don't have any.
Yes.
You just
so-
live peacefully.
Yes, just relax, and you know, I want to be peace in my mind. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't care what you know what my son or my daughter want to do something, but I don't know. But just you know, as they want. That's
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I want to be Amber when I grow up old.
When you grow older.
When I grow older, because kedamaian adalah yang paling penting ketika kita
Yeah.
sudah bertambah dewasa ya.
We don't have any utang. That's it.
That.
Definitely
Oh my
yes. So, yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Debt collateral will come all the time, you know, every day.
Uh,
You know, that's I don't want that to.
Growing
want
up
to
is
be
scary.
If I got time or have some money, I just buy cash. I have to buy, you know. Don't have to be credit or anything. No, I don't know.
I know what you have done in your life as long as your young age. Selama masa muda udah pernah ngapain aja Bu Ambar?
Me?
Iya.
Yeah, just you know, sometimes I do something like I got a band group something, and I do singing as well.
Oh my God, you ever be
become
singer?
Like a basker, you know, basker.
Basker?
is
Okay,
pengamen.
okay.
Oh, yeah,
But,
yes.
no, I don't go anywhere. Only if somebody has like what we call it, like a wedding or something. Then I do. I contribute my voice for them. I do sing some, some song. That's it. There's
Okay.
nothing to do. And I try to go for swimming,
Okay.
walking, jogging, something like that. That's it. That's my activity.
I think you have so many experience, but you can really tell us one by one because there are so
Many activities.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. Yes.
Okay, maybe talking about personal time and self-care today, Amber really can enjoy the personal time and self-care because you don't have any, what is it like, a pressure, job pressure, or
That's right. Yes.
or what is it like a tax, daily
Yes.
tax, yeah.
Duty, like daily duty or something.
Daily duty or something, yeah. Daily duty or something is just for us because we still in productive age, Sulfa.
We are, and we should be. We should be productive.
Yeah, we should be productive. Yeah, and because of the productive system in Indonesia, we, what is it like? We have to doing something to making a money, and we need money to do all things, everything's right. And it can be, what is it? It can be the reason why we go easily burn out.
Exactly.
Yeah, and when we burn out, some people maybe think that's I feels like NPD. What is it like a disorder? Kayak punya
Narcissistic personality disorder?
no. I'm sorry, not NPD. Like what is it like di kekhawatiran, kecemasan. Yeah.
Okay. Like a worry or some concern about some certain situation?
Ya, karena terlalu banyak tekanan.
I see.
Jadi artinya ternyata personal time self care itu penting banget untuk orang zaman sekarang ya.
Yes,
So I
that's right.
wonder actually. So I think I need to start asking Miss Ambar because I just met her today. So it's our first time meeting each other, and I have so much question related to self-care because you are a superior citizen. So we would like to know a little about what do you do? What do you usually do to keep yourself happy and balanced
Yeah.
emotionally and
Yeah.
physically?
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes I do fasting as well.
Oh, you openly
I
fasting.
avoid the chicken meat.
Oh, you don't
something
eat
like-
chicken meat.
Yeah, sometimes. you know.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Okay.
It's not every day.
Oh.
I
Yes.
can't afford because I I don't have much money to buy the chicken or this for me is number one is vegetables and
Okay.
fruits,
Indeed.
juice. That's
Okay.
I like that.
Oh,
Yeah, so and I never spend the money too much for nothing.
okay.
It's better for the charity for
Oh,
me.
okay.
Like for the what do you call it, the children who don't have parents, something like that.
Orphans?
Yes,
Yes.
or an orphan.
Mhm.
And for the elderly people, something who need my help. So sometimes I buy some rice or like grocery, something like that. I give it to them. Just, I do something good for my future life in the heaven, not here.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
The interesting things that
Yes.
Amber said is about I don't use my money for unusable things.
Yes.
That's the
Exactly.
difficult things for people nowadays because orang zaman sekarang tuh mudah banget mengeluarkan uang ya. Selain karena memang kebutuhan, ada juga yang namanya lifestyle, ya nggak sih? Pada akhirnya kembalinya ke cicilan, pay later. Nah, bener banget. Jadinya apa yang dilakukan sama Miss Ambar di sini itu bisa jadi masukan juga buat kita ya. Kalau pengen bener-bener masa tuanya tenang, mungkin bisa meniru gaya hidupnya Miss Ambar, iya.
Yes, we have to plan something good to other people's.
Ya,
We can help each other, give each other, give and take, something like that.
ya,
But
ya.
I normally, only give. I never take because this is not good for me. I feel so bad about that. Alright,
Oh.
so better I give. Sometimes I giving away for charity,
Mm-mm.
the old clothes or food or something like that. But I never say to anyone because I keep in secret because I
Okay.
always send it in the night time,
Okay.
not
maybe,
in the afternoon.
maybe can I be your doctor? Because you're always
Adopt her.
giving.
Please adopt her as your daughter.
yeah, that's interesting because Amber always giving something to charity and then always eating vegetable.
Yeah,
and
not all the time.
all the time.
But that's a very good movement, actually. That's a
Yeah.
very good decision.
And the good things in another way, Amber also can handle herself to to not easily interesting to buying something
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Unusual stuffs.
unusable
And I
stuff.
avoid salt, and MG, MG,
Oh, no.
monosodium
Okay.
glutamate, like Raiko and
Oh,
Masako.
MSG.
MSG.
I don't like at all. Never mind, just put salt and and onion or something and tomatoes. That's it.
Okay.
It's very simple.
But so far, some people thinking that eating MSG it can be like a me time too because it's like a yummy food for for like a disappear or for menghilangkan rasa stres gitu kayak makan makanan yang gurih yang
Yeah, to
ada
get rid of
MSG-nya.
stressful.
Iya.
To really stress, you mean?
Yeah, to really stress.
So it's like a cheat food?
Junk food.
Junk
junk
food?
food. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you think about it, Zulfa?
I'm like a contrary version of Miss Ambar because she avoids, adding or pouring MSG into her meals, but I do because that's what we do at home. I do not cook, but my mom does. So
Naughty thing to do like that,
yeah,
Very naughty.
very naughty. I'm naughty all day. So. Oh, I keep cheating on myself, my own self. But yeah, we over time we started to be aware of the damage of consuming too much
That's
MSG,
right, yes.
and we start to reduce
Yes.
the portion of it. But we still cannot just get away from it all of a sudden. It needs time. So wish me luck. Yeah.
Okay, Zulfa, I'm sorry, and Amber, I'm sorry. Maybe we really need to break because there is some commercial break that we have to play.
Oh, yes, please.
And before we hear about the commercial break, there is one song from BTS. To be able to voice aspiration, we must be able to speak. So here is it. I can speak. Yes, Pesona Inspira coming back with Valia and of course two guest star. There are Zulfa and of course Ambar, and we're talking about creating personal time, self-care strategy for busy life. Before the commercial break, we already talking about the definition about the self-care, and of course we have already heard about the Amber experience life, yeah. And now I'm a bit curious about the technology. I thought that technology it can be encourage people to spend their time to the personal time. I mean, technology can help us to making some personal time and self-care. What do you think, Zulfa?
Yes, I do agree with that statement because technology nowadays cannot be separated by our personal and working life. Yeah, it's everywhere, and we have to use it every time. For example, you cannot get away from your phone, let's say just 30 minutes straight, because there must be some important news or notifications that you need to pay attention of, and you can't really get away from it. And it's really, associated with our daily life nowadays. We cannot get away from it. I keep saying get away, I'm sorry. Somehow
okay.
when you speak, you kind of lost your vocabularies.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
I feel it
and
too.
it's terrible. But
Okay.
what I'm trying to say is that incorporating technology with self-care is super creative and super important because one, you cannot again get away from technology,
Yeah.
but you cannot also abandon the quality of your mental health.
Yeah.
So why don't you just come together and combine both of the things to
Yeah,
work
yeah.
on your own personal well-being? And if you want to, if you care so much about your physical health, and then you do some meditations instead of going to the gym to track your progress with your meditation or exercises or doing some yogas, you can use some applications such as what was that I found in the App Store here? The Leap Fitness. So LEAP Fitness, that's one of the applications that you can download freely on your phone that can keep you healthy by tracking up your progress every single day. And other than that, you can also do journaling. Are you guys familiar with journaling?
Yeah, journaling.
Journaling
Writing
is
something.
like writing like a list of to do activities in your day. So you can, if you write it down on paper, that would be a good idea and convenient. But some people may love to see the statistics from what you did achieved like in last week and this week and everything. You want to compare, then you can use those kind of applications. I would suggest to-do list application.
Okay.
Yeah. That you
There's-
can find easily on your phone.
Okay, because technology it can be encourage application or encourage some system to make us can have so many alternative option
Yes.
to spend our personal time.
Absolutely.
And of course, like a sport? When people loves to doing physical activity, sport is not only about how we move our body, but also there is an application and system that it can be sport too. It's like, do you ever heard about the sport that we watch the screen and then we doing something like a dancing, but we can count the calorie.
Yes, I've ever heard about that, but
Yeah.
didn't really catch the name of the application.
Iya. Jadi memang teknologi itu ternyata mendukung banget untuk melahirkan aplikasi-aplikasi yang bisa dikombin dengan kebutuhan kegiatan yang kita butuhkan. Betul
Yes.
ya. Kayak tadi contohnya adalah menulis. Menulis alih-alih di kertas, sekarang juga bisa menulisnya di HP gitu ya, atau di aplikasi tertentu gitu. Setuju ya?
Of course.
Of course. And what is the latest things or the latest activity that you do with technology that relate with the personal time?
Currently, I love streaming some calming musics.
Calming music, okay.
Yes, as I've mentioned previously, I love listening to some like calm music, some upbeat music too sometimes that I listen in the morning to improve my mood of the day. But one of the kind of music that I really do enjoy, like ultimately enjoy, is like instrumental musics by Albert Althusser. If you would like to visit, you can just find it in YouTube or in any other streaming music apps. And it helps me quite a lot to stabilize my mood. To you got these things to do, you got this set of activities to do, then just keep going. Do not look back, do not hesitate, and blah 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 blah. And it motivates you, it inspires you.
Yeah. So can I guess your music application, maybe Joox or Spotify?
Spotify, mostly.
It's okay. It's not a promotion, but maybe it can be a useful advice for Persona Inspira who wants to stabilize their emotion and need some relax from music, right?
Yes.
And of course, there are so many applications that help us to spending our personal time. I can give you one example for Persona Inspira who really need or who really thinking that fasting is important for our body to get a rise from the junk food. You can use the intermittent fast application.
Ooh, isn't that cool?
There are so many intermittent fasting application in Play Store, and we can use it. And of course, when you want to doing some yoga, you can also watch like a video yoga in application too.
Yep.
Yeah, so
very accessible.
Yeah, today's is accessible days than another era, right? Yeah.
If compared to the previous generations, we can do everything and anytime with ease. Yes, so make the best use of technology.
Yeah, okay. How about Amber? Do you think technology help us for spending our personal time or me time?
Yes, as for me, it's good, because we can do, exercise also, and what is that? Yoga, swimming, running, something like that. It's good for our health. It's better than do nothing.
Yeah,
indeed.
Yeah, that's right. And personally, I do like also like associate with the people who are always active in work or and when they organize something, sometimes I always what we call it, I can become organize everything with them.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's good. Technology is good for me, but I never use the YouTube because for me it's very terrible. It's very annoying for me. I can't do anything because every time this WhatsApp is always disturbing me.
Okay.
Yeah, very
because there are
irritating
so
for me.
many notification maybe.
Yes, that's right. Sometimes invitation, but I don't know who is that.
Oh.
So just please prepare for the present or something and to come. Then but I couldn't recognize who is that.
Okay.
So that's why it's better we do some, like practicing something.
Okay.
Like that.
It's okay. It means Amber is the one of person who to avoid technology is become the first alternative to making some me time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Still, even if you're living in a modern era, but if you choose not to, being dependent to technology,
Yeah.
that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm just not young anymore.
But you have a young soul, I mean.
Yeah, very
No,
inspiring,
that's
isn't
not
it?
important for me, you see. So, as long as I'm happy, and that's it. Nothing else.
Ya,
Yep.
betul. Ya memang yang utamanya adalah sekarang adalah harus tetap waras dan bahagia.
That's right.
Apapun caranya,
Yeah.
dengan teknologi ataupun tanpa teknologi. Ya, buat Persona Inspira yang mau bergabung, nanti kita akan sediakan line WhatsApp dan line telepon. Kalau mau WhatsApp dari sekarang juga boleh ya, silakan bergabung aja di 082323839996. Buat Persona Inspira yang khawatir, aduh Valia aku nggak bisa bahasa Inggris, nggak apa-apa, dicampur-campur bahasanya, nggak usah takut, yang penting berani mencoba. Kayak Miss Ambar nih ya, berani mencoba.
Oh, yeah.
Ya, itu lebih baik daripada tidak sama sekali.
Of course.
Betul ya. Oke, ngobrol lagi soal personal time and self care. Zulfa, maybe in daily, what is it, daily schedule, we can really manage our personal time because we have another daily task or another daily activity. What do you think about it? How to manage our time to separate our busy life and personal time?
It's challenging sometimes, I confess, because when you have a busy lineup of activities, it's difficult to spend time, to spare time for
Yes.
doing some personal time or activity for yourself, just for yourself. But again, self-care doesn't need to take that much of time, doesn't need to take that much of money.
Yeah.
It can be as
right.
effective as possible. You can just make it as efficient and as convenient as you could, like listening to some music for a couple of minutes, or just breathing, like, or doing some meditation,
Yeah.
or having like a quick bath. Something like that. It's super simple, but again, when you're busy, when you already caught up with activities and stresses and work pressures and everything, you don't even have the time to think about releasing the stress. What you think mostly is just how to get things done quickly.
Like a baby,
Indeed,
like a dog,
like a dog.
Like quick, quick bath, like something like that.
Yes.
Household.
So after spending like a harsh time at work, and then you get home, let's say at 7 p.m., your body is tired, you're exhausted, and what you think about after having dinner is to sleep, go to sleep. And that's actually good, but oftentimes when we wake up in the morning, we feel like, oh, I'm having this activity again.
Yes,
I'll be
that's
coming
right.
home late again. I'll be exhausted again. But you'll get bored. Okay, over time you'll get bored with that. So instead of going like traveling for your me time, you can just do some breathing. You can just do some meditation, or having like a hot shower. Yeah, that would do.
Okay, Zulfa, I have a story about myself.
Okay.
And 2 days ago, I felt really exhausted and really have so much pressure for my campus. And then after go home, I spend my time with crying only, crying and sharing with my husband. But after this, I felt more calm than before. Do you think it's a personal time too?
Okay, let's hear Miss Ambar perspective
Okay.
on like releasing stress by crying,
Wow.
by confiding in with someone you trust.
Yes. About crying?
Yeah. Do you think crying is one of example the personal times?
Yeah, crying, for me is I never cry.
Oh my god, really?
Yes, really.
I thought you were a strong woman.
Even though when my my mom was, passed away, I didn't cry at all. But after, maybe a couple of months, then I remember for the memories,
Yeah.
So I feel so sad. I can cry after that. But in the time I couldn't. So that's why cry is very healthy, for us, because
Yeah.
it's very healthy.
It can be, what is it,
Right.
release stress
To-
and balancing our
release,
emotion.
Yeah, emotion and expression as well, right?
It's pretty normal. Even men can cry too.
Yes, of course.
But I don't know, is crying is become one of personal time too or not?
It's not.
It's
And
not.
personal,
Okay.
personal choice as well.
Yeah,
Personal
that's a personal,
choice.
personal
Okay.
choice. It's just like a method of releasing your stress, but not literally associating with spending time for yourself. But the way you confide your story to your close people, then that would be the one of the self-care.
Okay, and I crying with my husband to sharing my why is it like the excuse why I cry. It's not can be the personal time example.
Perhaps the idea of sharing your stories,
Okay.
would categorized as the self-care, but the cry, that is just one of the results, the outcome of sharing the story,
It's the impact of the,
the impact.
sharing story.
the output.
The output.
Yeah, but if we cry too much, that would be overwhelming, isn't it?
No, I don't feel overwhelming, but I feel more calm and I I talk after I crying, I felt better when I finish my crying with sleeping. And after sleeping, I get better than before.
Okay, so as long as after crying, after tearing your tears, then you get a grip of yourself, then that would be a good idea. But if you don't, but if you just like get lost to the crying, that would be depressing.
Because when I get the pressure, I really handle myself to not crying.
Okay.
And I really handle my emotion to not angry or mad to all people that making me really mad and pressure. So I think that I have to be cry. I have to be sharing this moment to my husband, because when I just keep my feelings, it can be like explode some time gitu.
Yes.
Jadi kayak bisa meledak kapan aja. Jadi
Just like
daripada
a bomb.
Iya, just like a bomb. So daripada tiba-tiba meledak, kayaknya lebih baik aku cerita. Tapi bener sih ya, kayaknya menangis itu adalah hasil dari berceritanya.
Yes.
Jadi bukan semata-mata tiba-tiba mau nangis aja gitu ya.
Yeah, well, let's say you just had a hard time at work,
Yeah.
and then you get home, and then you, like looking in the mirror, and then you cry.
Oke.
I mean, that would be a mistaken
Yeah.
method of self-care.
Okay. And I have ever experience about sleeping only in 10 times, and I will get better even only in 10 times. 10 minutes, I'm sorry,
Oh.
10 minutes only, and I get better with this duration, even it's a really short duration for sleeping. Do you think it's one of personal time is able to?
10 minutes, that's a quite a short period of
Yeah,
sleeping, isn't it?
Yeah, of course.
But if it makes you feel relaxed, it makes you feel refreshed, I think that's one of a kind.
Yeah, I talk too, because I think all of the personal personal time and self-care is purposed to be making ourselves more peace and more relaxing with our self, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Feel peaceful, feel balanced, feel contented.
Even people thinks that it's only sleeping. Ya,
Mm-mm.
jadi walaupun orang ngerasa itu remeh, receh, ternyata itu personal care juga ya.
Yep. For some people, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any experience that similar with my experience
What is it about
personal care and self-care too?
personal care and self-care that relates to the crying scene?
No, maybe about related with a special story that you can't really handle and you need something to do to handle it, and it become receh thing, tapi ini bisa mendamaikan hati kamu gitu.
Oh yes, I do. I think one thing that I could relate is sharing stories.
Sharing stories.
Yes,
Curhat.
curhat, confiding with my parents mostly, but mostly my mom,
Okay.
because she's also a woman. So
yeah.
in some specific areas of conflict, she can understand me better than my father does.
Okay.
And but I do not share everything every time with her. Just some of the issues that I couldn't handle myself, and I need someone's perspective to help me out solve and overcome the problems that I'm facing at the moment.
Okay. And how about your mom respond? Do you think you more better when you hear your mom respond?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
It's like magical. So cherish your mom whilst you still have her around, because she would listen when we tell a story. She listens very attentively, and then she would give her suggestions and recommendation advices, and then we would listen her back, and she has a point, and then I understand my situation, I know what to do next, and she hugs me or sometimes kiss me on the cheek, which is super calming. Yes.
So by the way, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
Only one. We only
Only
have
one?
2 kids in our family.
Oh my goodness. Only you and your brother.
Yes, and my younger brother.
Oh, I see. Younger brother.
Yep.
Right.
So you rely on each other, right?
I don't. Spoilers alert! I do not trust my brother that much because he's naughty. You know, typical little brother.
Normally, boy is always naughty, you know.
Yeah.
More than a girl.
Okay, Silva. By the way, why you don't what is it like asking me how my husband respond when I confiding with my husband?
Oh yeah, sorry. We wonder.
Okay. My husband response is not really calming me.
Okay.
But he trying to angry with me because I'm. He think that he thought that I'm really weak person.
Oh.
He has a special special treatment to making me more strong with angry memarahi aku juga gitu. Tapi pada akhirnya sebenarnya yang dimarahi itu adalah hal-hal yang oh iya benar juga ya, kenapa aku nggak begini gitu loh. Maksudnya menyadarkanku, iya kenapa nangis ya, iya kenapa ya melakukan itu gitu. Jadi bisa menyadarkan diri sendiri kalau ternyata harus lebih kuat daripada sekarang.
Yeah.
Gitu.
People have different responses towards things, and so I also wonder about Miss Ambar's opinions about when someone confides in you and they tell their heartbreaking moments. What would you mostly probably react to them?
Oh, I always, ask them to keep calm and take it easy.
Yeah,
all right?
take it easy.
I don't be things so hard. So that's it. That's my, my always advice.
Does your doctor ever confiding her story, her love story maybe to you?
Who?
Your daughter.
My daughter?
Yeah.
Oh, my daughter? Love story, you mean?
No, I mean to ever your daughter confiding her life experience or life story to you.
But she's far away from me.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not in Wonosobo.
Oh,
so,
where does she live?
Yeah, so.
Where does she live?
Yeah. So I alone at home actually.
Oh,
okay.
so it's
So
another.
I try to find friend, to join, to make happy, myself. And
Okay.
So, yeah, more friend is much better for me, I think, than money.
Oh, so your daughter lives in another town?
Yes.
In another town. Your daughter lives in another town?
Yes.
Okay, outside Wonosobo.
Yeah.
Okay, Okay, that's why you really love
Just
to
never mind,
associate with all people.
That's right.
Yeah. Okay. I think associate with so many people it can be one of a choice to spending our personal time too, because when we gather with all people or many people, we can confide in it too, right? We can sharing story too, and we can find the same level frequency or same level perspective.
Yep.
And it can be our excuse to be more stronger than before.
Yeah, but it only works for those who understands us.
Yeah.
Who are on the same frequency, on the same lane.
Yeah.
If they're different, I do not think that would support us. Instead, that would make us feel more inferior about our condition.
Yeah. Sometimes we really need to selective.
Yeah, to be selective.
Yeah, okay. For Pesona Inspira who wants to join after this commercial break, I will move to listener time segment and of course learn with Pesona. So don't go anywhere. After this song from Bruno Mars with Marry You. Still Sonic that released in March 2021, and of course we still coming back with I Can Speak program. To be able to voice aspiration, we must be able to speak. So here is it. I can speak. Ya, Pesona Inspira masih barengan sama Valia dan tentunya dua bintang tamu kita ada Zulfa dan Ambar, dan kita sudah ngobrolin soal personal time and self care. Dan sekarang kita akan beralih ke segmen berikutnya yakni Listener Time dan Learn with Pesona. Buat Pesona Inspira yang mau bergabung bisa langsung aja di 082323839996. Ini dia Listener Time. Pesona Inspira, saatnya Pesona Inspira bergabung di 082323839996. Listener time. Ya, Pesona Inspira. Di segmen ini Pesona Inspira bisa berbagi vocabulary atau mungkin juga bertanya. Dari tadi kan kita ngobrol terus ya, Zulfa ya. Mungkin ada dari obrolan kita kosakata yang mungkin Pesona Inspira bingung itu tadi tuh artinya apa gitu. Jadi Pesona Inspira bisa bertanya atau juga buat Pesona Inspira yang punya kosakata pengen berbagi sama Pesona Inspira lainnya juga bisa. Misalkan aku tahu Mbak Valia bahasa Inggrisnya makan eating. Nah, itu juga boleh. Artinya Pesona Inspira gak harus jadi mahir dulu untuk bisa berbagi ilmu. Betul, Ambar? Miss Ambar?
Yes, you are right.
Ya.
Absolutely.
Ya, dan sekarang Valia masih menunggu penelpon ya yang akan merapat di 0823 2383 9996. Ayo pada bergabung. Mumpung nih ya segmen ini Pesona Inspira bisa bebas. Kalau misalkan Pesona Inspira merasa belum lancar berbahasa Inggris, boleh banget pakai bahasa Indonesia tentunya. Dan oke, saat ini sudah ada yang menelpon ya. Ini kita langsung angkat aja. Halo, good afternoon.
Halo, good afternoon, Valia.
Good afternoon, sister. Maybe can you what is it? Sister, maybe.
Sisi.
Can you tell us your name first?
Okay, hello, my name is Pelangi.
And Mbak Pelangi, I think you oftenly call us to what is it to study together, right? Wah, kayaknya Mbak Pelangi jadi salah satu pendengar setianya I Can Speak juga ya.
Iya dong, setiap hari Senin aku selalu mendengarkan I Can Speak. I always listen I Can Speak every Monday.
Okay, and
Yeah.
what is the vocabulary that you wanna share or asking to me today?
I wanna share some vocabularies. First, kerja. Kerja is work.
Kerja is work. Okay, and then
daun.
Daun.
Is leaf.
leaves.
Leaf.
Leaves. Okay.
Okay, and then what else? Table
Table.
is meja.
Meja. Okay.
Yeah, okay, that's enough, I think.
Okay, thank you so much.
Have a nice day, Valia.
Ya, have a nice day too, Mbak Pelangi. Terima kasih banyak
Thank
setiap
you.
kali I Can Speak sudah mendengarkan Valia bersiaran. Walaupun kadang Mbak Pelangi ini posisinya nggak lagi di kantor, jadi ikutan dengerin Radio Pesona. Nah, buat Pesona Inspira ya mungkin saat ini lagi dengerin, ayo mau dimanapun, ayo langsung bergabung di 082323839996. Kalau tadi Mbak Pelangi berbagi 3 kosakata ya, ada bahasa Inggrisnya daun, leaves, kemudian bahasa Inggrisnya kerja, work, kemudian satu lagi bahasa Inggrisnya apa tadi Zulfa? Table, bahasa Inggrisnya meja. Betul sekali. Kira-kira masih akan ada penelpon kah? Jika 3 Pesona Inspira, kita akan langsung beralih ya ke segmen berikutnya yakni Learn with Pesona. Kalau gitu langsung aja yuk kita move ke segmen berikutnya, ada Learn with Pesona.
What's your new vocab today? Kosakata baru apa hari ini? Let's enriching our vocab. Perkaya kosakata baru hari ini bersama Learn with Pesona.
I can speak.
Yes, buat Learn with Pesona, Pesona Inspira akan mendengarkan beberapa kosakata yang akan kita bagikan di ruang dengar Pesona Inspira semuanya, tentunya dari dapur redaksinya Radio Pesona. Dan kosakata apa sih yang akan dibagikan hari ini Zulfa dan Ambar?
Alright,
Mungkin
I
bisa
think
berbagi.
I think we have a couple of vocabularies maybe you needed to know. One is self-care.
Self-care.
Yeah.
What the means of self-care?
Taking time to look after one's own health and well-being.
Oke,
That mean is mengambil waktu untuk menjaga kesehatan dan kesejahteraan pribadi.
Oke, simpelnya adalah perawatan diri.
Yes.
Ya, oke. And next?
Next is balance, managing different aspect of life to avoid stress.
To avoid
Stress-free.
stress. Oke, to
Yeah.
avoid stress.
That mean is mengelola berbagai aspek kehidupan untuk menghindari stres.
Ya, oke. In simple way, it means keseimbangan.
Yes,
Ya.
keseimbangan.
Oke.
Balance.
And next vocab.
Next is schedules.
Schedules,
Yes,
okay.
schedule. is planning and organizing time for various activities.
Okay,
Yeah.
planning and organizing time for all activities.
Yes, that means yes, merencanakan dan mengatur waktu untuk berbagai aktivitas.
Yeah, okay.
That's right.
And in the simple
Now,
definition, wait, it means jadwal.
Yes,
Okay, jadwal.
Jadwal, schedule.
Okay, and then
And stress. Stress is feeling of pressure or worry, often from busy lives. You know?
okay,
And we can say in bahasa,
yeah.
rasa tekanan atau kekhawatiran sering kali disebabkan oleh kehidupan yang sibuk.
Oke,
Ya.
jadi stres ya
Stress
bahasa
is
Indonesianya
stress.
stres, ya
Ya,
betul.
stress.
Karena stres dalam bahasa Indonesia
It's
merupakan
uncommon,
serapan
it's
juga.
already uncommon in Indonesia.
Ya, kata serapan, ya,
Yes.
kata serapan dalam bahasa Inggris. Oke,
Yeah,
selanjutnya.
And the end is well-being. That's mean kesehatan dan kehidupan secara keseluruhan.
Oke, jadi tadi ada 5 kata yang dibagikan sama Ambar. Ada self-care, balance, schedule, stress, and well-being. And
Yes.
what next? Maybe Zulfa, you can share your vocab.
All right, sure. So the next one would be boundaries.
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 Yes.
It deals with the limits set to separate work or responsibilities from personal time.
Ya.
Or
and
simply in bahasa Indonesia,
Simply bahasa Indonesia is
batas yang ditetapkan untuk memisahkan waktu kerja dan tanggung jawab dari waktu pribadi atau apa itu? Separation of social and personal life.
okay, and a simple or short definition is batasan.
Yep.
Okay, and then
Coming up next, we have routine.
routine. Okay,
This is one of the kata serapan tuh ya.
yeah.
Jadi simply it's about regular pattern or activities or habits. So pola kegiatan atau kebiasaan yang dilakukan secara teratur atau berulang-ulang.
Yeah, it means rutinitas. Okay, and then
And then we have mindfulness.
mm-hmm.
MINDFULNESS.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's about being aware and present in the moment, often used in relaxation.
Okay, so it means about kesadaran penuh.
Yep. And then we have productivity.
Mm-hmm.
OPRODUCTIVITY.
Mm-hmm.
Or the effectiveness in completing tasks or achieving goals.
Oke, atau simbolnya adalah produktivitas ya.
Yes. And the last but
And
not
the last,
least, we have relaxation.
Relaxation.
Yeah, RELAXATION. It is the activities, so practices that help to unwind and reduce stress.
Okay, so total we have 10 vocab that have already shared before, and Zulfa share 5 too, yeah?
Yep.
5 vocabulary. First is boundaries, and then routine, and mindfulness, and productivity, and relaxation. Oke, semoga Pesona Inspira menjadi tambah lagi ya ilmu tentang bahasa Inggrisnya dan kosakatanya. Kita hari ini punya 10 kosakata baru yang bisa jadi tambahan wawasan dan pengetahuan Pesona Inspira. Dan akhirnya nih ya, karena saat ini sudah melewati pukul 2 siang alias sudah bonus lewat 10 menit dari jam 2 siang, Valia harus undur diri, and thank you so much for Pesona Inspira who already hear us from 12:15 p.m. and of course up to now. And Valia will remind all Pesona Inspira who wants to listen I Can Speak program. It can be airing too in every Monday in 12:15, and we can meet again in next weeks of course. And finally, I'm Valia.
I'm Zulfa.
I'm Ambaru.
Have to say goodbye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.